Henry Ford and his assembly line. In 1876, Henry Ford worked fixing watches, and this began when he was able to fix a farmer's watch after only a brief description of how it worked. Henry became so good at fixing watches that he had made his own tools and had developed a way to systematically put everything back together. This was the basic principle that led to the assembly line. He eventually got a job working with Westinghouse and mastered and developed the portable steam engine. Henry created a machine that could power farm equipment and be moved nearly anywhere. The only issue Ford saw with the machine was that it still required a horse to move. It could power other things, but it was unable to power itself. By 1896, Ford had built his own car and wanted nothing more than to start his own motor company and put a car in the hands of every person. In 1903, the Ford Motor Company was officially established, but Henry saw a major issue. Hand-building each car is slow and making his cars very expensive at $850 a piece. In 1914, Henry used the idea of the assembly line for his factories, and by 1924, the Model T was selling for $265. With more than 15 million units sold from 1908 to 1927, the Ford Model T was the most mass-produced car until 1972, only being beaten by the Volkswagen Beetle. Without the use of the assembly line, an achievement like this may never have happened.